Hi guys, welcome to the day 2 of our bootcamp. I hope everyone has joined. Just a second, let me. And if your friends have not joined, please share them link and ask them to join us app because we are going to start soon. What are you guys? Good evening to everyone. Hmm. So today we are going to like yesterday we performed the thing on a simple you can say an image. So that only thing like if we have a video instead of taking screenshots and then uploading, now we are going to process that video only into this. So what you guys are messaging, I'm reading your messages only. Good evening. Just ask your friends to join quickly because I think many have not joined and then later they will say that they have missed this class and how they will get the certificate and everything. Then they will panic later on. Okay, so just ask them to be quick. So we and important thing, we have a quiz today as usual. So we will be having a quiz after like we are done with the like running all this thing. We will do a small quiz of 10 question and our leaderboard topper will appear in front of us and his name will appear on screen. Just ask your friend to like join quickly so we can start. I will start exact at 7:05. They still have 2 minutes. And guys, please be ready by your laptop side by side. Okay. Till then, just like open your Google Colab, reconnect it with your system, and execute the top files because the system might get have disconnected. So the library is also imported or the packages also have might be lost. So just insert them. Good evening again. Only 1 minute left. Then we will start. Just ask your friends to be quick. Okay. So today we are going to like play with the video, and in the end you will get an output video also with all like Python will just like this. It will mark a box around your objects in the video frames and then give back to you. Attendance taken through a Google form. It will be given in the last 15 like around 7:40 45 around. The attendance form will be given before the quiz only. Once we finish with the output thing, and then I will give you the attendance form, and after that we will be having a quiz. And a disclaimer for today's quiz, like you might see the question might be very easy, but the options are little bit tricky. Few are easy also, only one two are tricky. So just to check you guys like have you understood or not, and almost only in one or two question there's much, not very much. In yesterday code only, Megha, you have to continue. You just the coding part till here we have done. After that only we have to just continue. Just connect your system and run the like installation file from and import files, and also the model which we have used. Okay, so I think it's time. Let's start with the coding part. So first of all, we have to upload the video in this Google Colab environment. So we will give a command uploaded is equals to files dot upload. Okay, then we want a video path. Like if anyone has a query, once I write the code, I will explain also what we are actually doing here, how we are like uploading things and everything into this system. So here we will create a list uploaded dot keys in this. I have to give the value 0 and then print uploaded video part. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to write in this. What you guys are committing? Okay. Yes, quiz will be from today and yesterday both lecture, like both of the lecture will be taken. Like all the things, all the codes which we have covered here, everything will be taken from like till the end. What we cover today, it will be from both the days, today and yesterday both. So okay, so in this we can just simply understand this opens a video file box into a Google Colab first of all, letting you to choose a video file from your system. This line opens like when I run this, uh, it will appear choose file. So it is appearing a upload box to choose a file from your system, to upload that file into the Google Colab environment. Then later on, this line video path is equals to list upload dot keys and then in bracket 0. So this takes the name of the first uploaded file and save it in the video path. So here 0 is the index 0, because we are creating a list. So the first we like if I try to upload multiple, so it will take the first video which has been uploaded and the name of that into and save it into the this variable name as video path. And then later on, this shows a confirmation message to the user that your video has been uploaded with a video name like video path also. So now if I have to like choose a video in this, your download section will appear, and suppose I have taken a video. Okay, so it is uploading. You can see percentage here how much it has been uploaded. 100% has done. So it is now showing uploaded. This is the name of the video which I have uploaded. So once we are done with uploading, we will move forward with the like now for currently this video has been saved into our uploads. Like see, you can see video of street has been uploaded here. Okay. What's the question? Ah, quizzes from both days lecture, Shayan. No, you can choose many video files, but it will take for now instance, it will take only one at a time. So the first, if you like choose 4 videos, it will choose the first video and then saves into that Google Colab environment. Okay. Yes, you need to upload a video, Krishna. first like this step can be done later also, but we are doing initially so that we don't have to reload again the actual training part, and the output can be produced. So in this, the output will be given in form of like mpv4 file, which will get automatically downloaded in your download section, so you can see the whole video. Okay. uh, what's your question? I can't understand Prasanna. Sir, can you create a ready-made file of this project? What do you mean by ready-made? It is not any cloth that it is a ready-made. You are here for coding, so you need to code first, and then the whole thing will get ready. So okay, so it is done. Let's proceed with this. Uh, any videos? Try to first upload a small video only, because instead of uploading very large files initially, because it has a frame restrictions also in web-based environment. Whereas if you upload the same file while doing in VS Code, or you can upload a larger file also, it will take time, but surely it will do the work. Okay. And any file extension, try to be with mpv4 or mov, whichever you have. Like mpv4 is most used. Don't use that dvd or cd player type of extension that we call as vob. That I think collab will, or the yolo will not understand extension. So use to try to use mpv4 or the mov. Okay. You mean command you, Sarah Salim? I tried uploading to. Okay, so it is giving error because we have restricted to first video only. The commands which I have used in this, like whole of this will be given to you guys in the form of GitHub link on the last day. So you can, like, if by the end of the this, if you have any error, you can correct with this IPVNY file with a ready-made README also, you can say, with a like demo, you can say, and you can use that. Okay, so let's proceed. I think. Yes, link of this file will be given on day 5. Before that, it won't be given, because then people take it as granted. And so please to like try to match pace, because whenever of in future, because ds is important, it is growing, aiml it is growing. So in future, if someone asks you regarding this project and you have just copied from a file, so you will not be able to answer. Instead of that, if you have built with us simultaneously, it would have be very good for you guys. You will having a better understanding what we have done, what each code actually means. It will help you only. It is the files not. If you must have not run these, try run these blocks again, like first this and this, and model files also from the yesterday, and then try to run this. You will get, like, you must not have like imported the files this section. That's why it is showing error. Files is not defined. Okay. So try rerunning all these block and then run this. It will be so I think video uploaded successfully. Now we should proceed. Okay. So now moving with the, first of all, we have, let me just first finish the code and then I will come to the explanation also. We have an output path. mpv4. Okay, so I am giving an extension of mpv4 conversion only. Then we will cap is equals to cv2 dot video capture video. Then we have width is equals to int. Guys, till the time I'm writing code, you also write the code so you don't miss. Instead of just like commenting, uh, you can message once we do all these things. Okay, fps cap dot get and int cap dot get cv2 cap prop underscore frame width frame height. Okay, then we have fps cap dot get cv2 dot cap underscore prop fps, or you can give 25. Okay, now moving forward with the cc is equals to cv2. Okay, it is giving video writer 4cc mpv4. Then out is equals to cv2 video writer output path 4cc fps with comma height. Okay, nice. So coming to the explanation till this part, like what actually this. So coming from the first line onwards, this actually the name of the new video which it will generate as an output. I'm saving this like the name of the new video file where the detection will be saved. So I'm giving it as an output underscore detected dot mbv file. This is very normal. Then after this, cap is equals to cv2, that like I can say cv2, you are understanding from where we are using. So you can understand opencv why we have used. So cv2 is an package where it deals with the images and video. So we are using cv2. It opens the video uploaded, so the opencv can read its frame. Like every many gamers and everyone has fps frame per seconds. So with this, like if I uploaded a 10-second video, it might have 20 frames or 30 frames or 50 frames depending upon its video quality and everything. So same way in this, like it will calculate open that and opens the uploaded video, so the opencv can read it frames one by one, how many frames does it have and everything. Then moving with forward with this, width is equals to int, same both the lines, like hold these lines. Width is equals to int cap dot get cv2. This is for width and height. And then for the fps I am using the same thing. So understanding what it is actually giving, it actually gets the video width, the height, and the fps, the frame rate, so we can make the output video match from the original only. Like if the original video is of suppose 25th width and 30th height, and the output video is of different size, and the pixel will get confused. So to match that same thing, we are getting the files and everything of that matched, so that it can be. Here also I am given an option of 25. If it is not able to detect some due to some reasons fps, so a default fps will be set of 25, so it doesn't get any. It is actually a default value. If in case it, as I have mentioned, or if in case if it is not able to detect the fps of original video, then the default will be given as 25. Okay, in initial phases try to give a smaller video only, because you are using a web based ide. So it may take time. So instead of doing that long process and everything, try to upload a shorter video, so you can easily process, the collab can easily process. Now moving forward with this line, 4cc is equals to cv dot video writer underscore 4cc, and then in this I am giving mpv4. So this is actually chooses the video codec, like the file format codec. You can understand the file format like mpv4, mov, vob. These are different types of file format. So it actually chooses the mpv4 for the saving or our processed video, which we are going to process in our output journey. Okay. It is asking cap prop frame height means. Cap prop frame height, I'm telling again that it is used as a constant. These are actually when you use um, the OpenCV, these are the constants actually. This cap prop frame width and cap raw frame height, these are the constant which detects the actual height or the original height of the video which you have uploaded and match the output file with the same. Okay. Now coming to the, I think, last line. This we have further also, don't worry. uh, So coming to this, out is equals to cv dot video writer output path 4cc fps and width and height. So this prepares a video writer to save the frames with the same size which we have detected earlier, like width we have detected earlier, then height which we have detected earlier, the fps which we have detected earlier, and the 4cc like format or the codec part which in we are going to do. So these are the parts in which we are going to give the thing. So we are telling the video writer or the video preparator to write the video in the same format, like same size, same fps, same format as the original. Don't create on its own so that the error can be generated. Okay. Now what you guys are commenting? Yeah, fps stand for frame per second. Okay, so let's proceed. Naming convention is just like you can, these the front parts are variables. You can say variables you can change. Instead of width I can only write vid width, or instead of height I can only write ht. These are only naming conventions and not like variables. You can name anything. The main thing is these things, the constants, the logic, what we are cap getting. Okay. Yashvika, don't. I am again repeating. Don't spam attendance. Attendance in the initial part only. I have said when I will give attendance. You were late, so I'm sorry. Please don't spam attendance. Else, I have a block button here. You get easily blocked because people are asking genuine questions and their questions get missed out. So don't like spam attendance. Yes, yeah, Sarah, you should write MPV4V because you are telling to get in the same format, or the MPV4 is actually the globally supported. So we are telling in case you don't recognize which type of video format. For now, you are uploading MP4. That's fine. I have also, I think, uploaded MPV4 only. But if in case in future you upload some different kind like MOV and you want to get in the MPV4, that's why we are using. Okay, let's proceed now. Now we are going to write the main logic. Guys, if when I have repeated it just a naming convention, then why are you guys behind that same thing? Okay, now move forward with. So I'm will first write the code and then explain to you guys line by line. While true. Hmm, is equals to cap dot read. Okay, if red, we are going to break because this is a break condition we are putting here. If in case the thing is not like found or end of the video is, so how the CB will understand. So we are putting a break condition also here to just check if anything is wrong or not. So now here we are going to extract the result like model. I think here everyone has run this part again. So here we are extracting a pre-trained model. So that same thing we are extracting here also. Then we are going to annotated frame rent no annotated is equals to results 0 dot plot, then out dot write annotated. Okay, then moving forward with this, we are putting a frame count by like we will increase a frame count by one once we detect every frame. Okay, so we are putting iteration on increasing. Now if frame, we are restricting some limit also. Cap dot release. Okay, then we will tell user that we have completed. So an output will be produced. Video saved. So now we are saving video with the name of output path to tell the user just you have saved that. You can go and check in your download section, and this files dot download will generate a direct link, a direct download link of this file, so it get downloaded into your system. Okay, okay, I think people are typing if else function. Yes, so starting from this again explanation part, coming to this frame count is equals to 0. So we are starting a counter to keep track how many frames we have proceed. So initialization counter we have set to 0. Then we are moving with while true. So it is in a, we are kind of starting an infinite loop to read the all the video frames till the and the condition if not like we found a break will be produced. So like till the last frame we have to read that. In this ret frame is equals to cap dot read. It's read the next frame from the video, that like one after one by one, every frame when it comes, like how many frames first of all it has, and then it will read which frame has come. It actually kind of, you can say, returns two values, ret like boolean. This is a boolean value, which it will return the frame if true if a frame was read, and it will return false if the frame was not read, or it is not available after a certain time limit once the video is finished. And then we have second value also, frame. It is the actual image or the screenshot of the video, you can say. Frame you yeah, it will be taken. Why it is result? What you are asking, Mithun? Why it is result instead of result in annotated? Okay, so actually here only I have written. Okay, thanks for correcting. Otherwise, it would have given error later. It was a typing error, so that's why I'm saying just keep an eye on this while typing. Also, very good. You have corrected this. It was a typing error. So moving forward with this. Um, we have done with this. Now coming to this part, if not ret. So net ret, and initially only after this is a boolean value, it will tell the frame is present or not. So with this condition, if no frame is read, so if not read, if no frame is read giving false value, it means to stop the loop, because we have started a infinite loop here while true. So it needs to stop. It actually checks that is false and breaks the loop, breaks out of the loop instantly once it is found the value to be false. Then coming to the results, is equals to model dot frame. It this line is the main line. This actually runs the YOLO model on the current frame of the detected object, or the frame which has been detected in that video, the first frame or second frame or any frame. Uh, so it will detect that and then give you the further like detection with that model. The model will run on this. Then we have annotated is equals to result zero plot. So this, I think, people who have attended yesterday must have understood. So here I think here also we have used yesterday's. So this code you must understand what actually, like, tell me in the chat section what this actually means. Now it is a kind of small test who and of all those people who have attended yesterday. Just tell me in the chat section. Like, keep track on these small codes. These only can be asked in the quiz. I'm giving a small hint. So be aware of all these. Guys, where have you gone out? Just tell me in the chat section. Till now you were commenting a lot of things. No video frame reading, not. It is very like from the this thing only, by reading this you can understand what it is actually. Prints out the result of detection. No, kind of not close enough, but Result no. So okay, no problem. Again, I'm telling, be open your ears and listen carefully. It actually draws a boundary or the bounding around a box of the object it has been detected and labels on the frame. Suppose here I have given, so you can see a this maroon box has been drawn surrounding this dog, and then it is telling a dog, it is giving a label. So and this line is doing that part, and it is actually making a block, and then it is out dot write annotated. It saves the annotated frame into the output video. So here we are giving an output, so it is saving that box on that original video above that, and that here we have detected that object. Okay. Yes, it will give the box and tell the accuracy. Brasilia. Nice. Ria also has given the same answer. Okay. So coming to this frame counter is equals to plus one. So it adds to the like it adds one frame to the frame counter after processing a frame. Like once YOLO has processed one frame, then it will process the another and further moving on like by one till the counter, like till the upper limit which has been set, or how many frames depending it has. So here I have given frame counter percentage is equals to or 100% is equals to 00. It like every 100 frames print a message to show the progress. So if I want to show that progress more, and how much we can even reduce this to 50 also, like 50 frames, or print that to 80 frames, or whichever we want, like on how many frames we want to show, we want to see that how much it has processed and how much it is going to process further. Okay. And then same thing, print process frame, it is actually telling that how many frames. It is the same in this following. It is telling that how many frames it has processed, and it will show an output here in this below section, that these many frames has been processed and it is processing more. Now moving further with this cap dot release, it actually closes a video file which we have open here, like the file which we have uploaded here. So it closes that video files which we have open. It actually, you can say, it releases the video capture objects from its memory once the process has been done. Then it has we have written out dot release. Out dot release means it closes the output video also, the output video writer which we have here, the video writer we are telling. So same thing we are doing here, like the out dot, you can see here out dot cv2 video writer. So we are telling here to close the video writer once the process is finished. Okay. Once we are finished with this, we will give a command print video save. Like once the video has been processed fully, a video output will here, and then we are going to give a command like file dot download output file. So it will generate a direct generate download link in your system, and video will get automatically downloaded from your download section. What if 100%, it will tell at every 100 frame the progress. Once 100 frames are processed, it will tell that on this much frames has been processed. It doesn't matter, it is just showing the progress. So let me run this. I think it got disconnected. Still it is. So see here I have put it 50. So it is detecting all this object, like how many has been done. The video has been, and it has been downloaded in my. Is it the video? Is video? Just a second. Let me share my whole screen. Then you guys can. Just a second. Is my screen visible again? Entire screen. Okay. I think it's visible. So, like when I have done, it has processed this video. Like initially, I can let me let's first run. The original video was this one. Like this was the original video which I have uploaded on that to detect the objects. Okay. So now after the process has been done, when I this run this video, it is like this. It is telling every like persons, bench, how many persons it is detecting. Umbrella also it is detecting, motorcycle, bench, everything it is detecting, car, again a person, almost potted plant, everything it is bench, umbrella, potted plant, everything which is detected in each frame has been detected here. Okay. So you guys must have also got a video in your download section here. Have you got this video? Video downloaded but not opening. It might be your system support, uh, because just see your system supports that thing or not. Okay. I think most of them have got their output from here. Like they have got this part, I hope. Video downloaded. Source code you will get on the day 5. Before that you guys won't get any kind of source code on day 5. Once the whole thing is done, the front end part and everything will be done, you will get that code. Okay. I hope. So original video was actually this one. This was the original video. Nothing you can see here. It was a simple plain video of people standing on street. Whereas when I come to this, you can see mhm, this one. You can see different people detection and everything with a block telling, even telling the accuracy also. Okay. Attendance. Okay, just wait a minute. Uh, Wait a minute. So it's time for I think quiz. Mm, Also, wait a second. First, let me give the attendance to you guys. Hmm. Brian is asking building. Is actually not an object. It's a very big thing. So it detects small object inside them. Instead of like if it's going to capture whole frame only, then it's going to be an error. So attendance thing has been given. Just Everyone save this attendance link. So once you save this attendance link, just quickly tell me. So I will start with the quiz. Download but not working. Uh, you must like when you have downloaded this and you click on like whichever system, like if you have Windows, you must have video player, built-in video player or a VLC. So it must have run easily, because that's why we have done this in MPV4. Otherwise we could have used either other things also. Just check your system compatibility, like your video player is running correctly or not. Otherwise from this end it is totally just a minute. I'm giving another link also of the quiz. I think people are done with the attendance part. So now I'm giving the quiz. Just everyone join the quiz, so we will start this also. Mhm. Mm, everyone, once everyone join, we will start with the quiz also. And like today we have done this video upload and everything. Tomorrow we are going to work with the like, if I have something live object, if I have this phone or anything, I have to capture that. So we will be working with that part also. So how to capture the live images and everything. And on day 4 we will do a mini training, like we will train this part more with some objects from our end also, so it can detect. Okay. For to detect a specific thing, we have to do some things like restriction has to be done on the detection part. Like if we want only to detect how many per, suppose you are doing a gathering, and in that you want to detect how many persons are current, instead of counting one by one, how many persons are present at current time. So we have that thing also as a code. um, for that, like you have to rebuild this whole structure. This is for detecting all objects, but specifying to a single object, a person, we have to count, like put a counter on that and restrict the detection also. I think most of the guys have joined the quiz. Just I will wait for 1 minute more, and after that I will start the quiz. And guys, again I'm telling, and don't be in hurry of just answering. Read the options. uh, you might see option is easy, but you have to be prepared like what you are answering or not. You are quiz page volume. You can just restrict that tab volume, otherwise I have to just close that, and then answer will be shown to everyone if I close this thing. And then let's start. I think almost all have joined, and we are starting in 3 2 one. Here we go with the first question. What does the pip install command do in Python? See here, you might see some similar options, but be very careful while answering. Only 11 seconds left. 10, 9. Be fast. This should be correct of almost people. 91 people. Install external Python libraries or the packages. Okay, most of the people have got this correct. So let's see the leaderboard who has corrected this fastest answer. So on leaderboard we come with Sayat D. I think in previous or in previous bootcamp only he has also came on top several times. So welcome back. And then we have Simar, Rohan, Anmol, Shreya, Yungami, etc. also. Guys, try to join from your original name also, so that your name can be shown on this leaderboard. And like the hustler, everyone is hustler here. What's the name? There is no point of writing such name, so your original name doesn't get highlighted here. Try to join with your original name. Okay. So moving forward with the next question. What is YOLO primarily used for? Very easy question. I think this 100% people should answer correctly. I think, how many people have joined the talks? 1994 150, 160 people have joined. So I want everyone almost to answer this correctly. Okay, fingers almost have answered correctly. You are confused in sorting data and drawing graphs? No. So coming to the leaderboard, let's see. Again, the attendee is the fastest. Nice to see. Now move forward with coming to the question 3. Here we go. What does CV2 represent in Python? Very easy question. Let's see. Oh, nice. 98. Still, why people are confused of file upload tool? It is not a file upload tool. It is clearly written CV to represent. So here an option also, if you don't know, you can just match CV is only written in one option. These are very basic. Then also you are getting confused. 17 people in plotting library. No problem. Try to cope up. So I think some new Hustler is the fastest here. Then we have Rohan, Riddhi, Umami, and Divya Muskan also. Nice. Coming to the question 4. Why do we use file.upload in collab? Like, why we use file.upload in collab? Ten-second left. Answer quickly. Nice. Finally, some correct answer to be seen on the a majority only 8. That doesn't matter if you of them get wrong in hurry or sometimes. Now see the leaderboard. Again, the hustler is the fastest. Hustler, why don't you come from your own name? Your own name should have highlighted on top of the leaderboard. So no problem. Still, you should continue and do like this only. What does the YOLO 8n.pt file contains? Very easy question. 100% answer in this. Okay, almost have answered. Nice. To see the majority have understand what this actually contained. So coming to the leaderboard, don't write answer in this live chat. You have to answer in the quiz. So your name can appear on top. Okay, so here is a tie between Beyonce and Riddhi. I think I'm pronouncing correct. It is Riddhi or Riddhi. Riddhi, I think. So it is a tie between them. They both have answered fast, like fastest in this with the same time. And then again, Hustler remains on the top of the leaderboard. No problem. Here we go again with the question number 6. Why do we convert images from BGR to RGB before showing them with matplotlib? This I think I have explained while coding also. There was a code you can remember, BGR to RGB. Okay, nice. Because matplotlib expects the images in RGB format only. Nice. Almost getting correct. Let's see the leaderboard. Again, Hustler is the fastest. Nice. I think this is the third time or fourth time he is fastest in the question. Coming to the 7th. MK11 Gaming. Here also you are using a masked name. Use your original name. Tell me your original name. MK11 Gaming. What does video capture? Video part 2. Now this might be confusing. I'm expecting like many people will get a wrong answer in this because option are like as I told earlier. Yes, no, this was the confusing question and most of will get wrong in this. So it video capture video part. It actually opens the video for reading the frame by frame, the every frame it is using. While writing the code, also I told you. So it actually opens the frame. It doesn't like upload video to like most of the people have answered. Upload a video to collab. It doesn't upload the video. Upload is another code. Edit the video resolution. It is not. Then we are 39. Detects the object in the video frame. No, object detection is done with the help of model. Now see the leaderboard. Leaderboard must have suffered in this question. Oh, almost same. Saturn again comes as on the leaderboard as the fastest, but on the 10th, no problem. You can cope up. Like many people have got this answer wrong. So coming to the 8th, I think yes, 8th question. Let's get to the question. In the video processing loop, what does if.net break means? This I have explained. It is very easy. I hope this everyone, but the option is like confusing. Option are confusing. So now I think many people will get confused in this. Let's see how many people get confused in this because options are confusing here. Oh, nice. I was expecting too many people to confuse here, but majority have got the right answer. Nice to see this. Let's see the leaderboard. So this time Shivam Mishra is the fastest and Hasla remains on top, then Umami, Beyonce and everyone. So moving with the last second question. Guys, be very alert during this time. You might lose your leaderboard position. So starting with the question. Background sound is no problem. From next time, I will shut down this background noise. I will not add this background noise. Okay. Which function draws a bounding box and labels on detected object? This I told. In this also, why you are getting a result plot. Just before this annotated again, I have told, asked you guys also. Many have answered also. In this also 40 people have got confused with CV2 video capture, 30 with plot.am show. Why are you guys now see the leaderboard? I think it has shuffled again. Hustler is the fastest again and remains on top also. So moving to the last question of today. Just check. After running files.download output path in Google Colab, what actually happens? This was the last line of our today's code and the last question also. What I mean. So just answer quickly. Options are confusing again. I'm telling. And but in options also have repeated some points of words which are present in the options. So be careful while answering. Okay, still okay. Majority have corrected answer. I was expecting a blender here, but you guys have managed. File is not uploaded to the Google Drive. It is direct. I have mentioned also a direct download link is created, and it is directly downloaded into your system. So now moving to the final leaderboard. Let's see who's come as the leaderboard topper of this. Okay, the hustler again. Hmm. Begins. Congratulations to hustler, whosoever he is. Just write your name in the chat so we can know your original name. And from next time, like try to join with your original name. Beyond. Okay, so I think we are done with this. We have finished 58. No problem. Next time, try hard. You will have it 13. Share 8. Okay, so on 8, I was not able to see the name. Mm, Dragonite. You guys use such a horrifying names. So I think we are done with today's from 6 to 30th. Yes, you have code guide rule. So see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be doing the same thing with we will be doing the webcam, like live webcam image capture, and with that image we will detect the object. And on day 4 we will be doing mini trading, not a very dense training intense. We will do a mini training of a mini data set. And after that, on day 5 we will build a simple front end interface. You guys can also improve on that later on, but we will do that thing on day 4. Okay, so bye guys, tata, see you guys tomorrow at the same time.